So me and Chelsea are on our way to. Where are we going?
We're going hiking.
Hiking. All right. Just got here. We're at the hiking place. This is your before shot. You have to have one too.
Let's go. Wait, can you shoot the hill that we're just about to walk? That's the first hill. Let's go. We don't make it back alive. What's your cell? Yep.
Okay, this is after me and Chelsea. Me and Chelsea had to run because our hike got interrupted by some photographers. So we ran back to the car. I think I completed our hike though. Good day.